Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, good people. Shalom to you all. So, this day today is another beautiful day again of mourning our beloved grandma. And I want to say thank you so much for each and every person who have really been with us at this hard time of grieving. Uh, God bless you all. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I really appreciate your love and support. Let me know in the comment section how do people do this. So today I want to be updating you about what is going on, what has been going on since Bibi left us. It has been 3 days. This is the third day. So we have been with you. You have been with us through thick and thin until when Bibi left us. I know for now she's resting because for the last half a year, when what we call like she has been feeling more pain, or when the disease became very harsh on her, she has been feeling more pain and more pain and more pain. But I thank God that now she's resting, and I know she's resting in paradise. So this day today, each and every time like now is where we all come together. It's not a ceremony that as a family we have to do it on our own. It's a community celebration. It's a whole world celebration where we are all celebrating the good life our grandma lived. So on behalf of her, for those who maybe she wronged, I'm apologizing. Or if she has ever gone wrong with you, on behalf of that of her, I'm just apologizing towards that. Please make a very light heart on her so that she can rest very, very well. So yesterday I visited her on the morgue. Even today I'll be visiting her. The reason being is with me I never want to leave her, because there's always people where you go, you put your body at the morgue and you leave it until the day when you go to pick it, when they do the washing. But with me, we have sat down as a family, and also with you guys as a YouTube family, and all people who have been with us through this, because Bibi was not just a villager, she was just an international villager. I can just say so. I'm saying so because Bibi, when I gave her platform, actually on the entire village, Bibi was the only grandma who could accept to be filmed. And you can check on my previous videos since 2023, 2021, when Bibi used to be very strong, walking up and down, showing us her moves, how she used to be in a scout as a girl guide. That's how she used to see us marching, quick marching with the sticks. So until now, she's resting. She has a history. She has something on YouTube that you can go check and see how Bibi was, how health was taking her until her health was deteriorating until now. So I don't want to give you much of this. We sat down as a committee because they created a committee, and I want to briefly give you what they said and when Bibi is going to be buried, and in between what is going on, and I'll also be taking you around, sharing with you what is really going on this other hand. You see, we sat on the other end, and they have said Bibi will be put to rest, or will be laid to rest in her full-time house. That will be on 14th Friday. So in between we are doing some preparations, like yesterday. You can come with them, short. You can do this, Tony. So yesterday we were doing something like we demolished the kitchen, the previous kitchen that we had, and we levelized this all road the way it is. And also there's what we call like there's something we call like a sign. I don't know how, Tony, do you really call it? Maybe introduce yourself, guys. I'm here with Tony. He has been with us since you saw when we were briefing how Bibi, when there was a whistle of when there was a whistle of emergency, he was the first person who ran to come and see what's going on. So he was with us. He saw Bibi when the muscles were still relaxing, and he has been with us, moving around. All my friends have been with me. Everybody with you have been with me. So guys, I'm always grateful for your support and for your advices. So Tony, His name is Tony.
Yeah.
So I'm with him. So there's something that I want him to also brief us about how things are before we tell you what's going on. The cleaning has been going on around. So this tree wasn't around.
Yeah, this one
wasn't around. Yeah. So maybe we can go there and then you see what does it really mean when there's a funeral. They plant what you call like banana trunks. Yeah. So so you can introduce yourself by your name, and because I don't want to get out, you can introduce yourself, who you are, what do you do, something like that.
Hello, family, your family. This is Tonixter. I'm Tony in the village. I'm Tonixter. I also have a channel. I'm a content creator, and here now we are grieving. We are grieving our big mama, Bibi. Yeah, she's well known as the Bibi. World as Bibi. So she's Bibi. To me, is a big mama. She's a grandma to my uncle here. This is my dad. CJ,
absolutely.
So I'm a son to him.
When I tell people that I have so many people who call me father, I'm a father to many. They don't understand.
Exactly. So CJ is a dad to me, and she's a very good dad as well. And we are learning a lot from him. His moves. He's also an inspiration to this particular vicinity of this neighborhood. So right away, since date 4, I had an ululation where I was at home. I was making honey. Harvest honey. So we were squeezing honey from the combs. Now harnessing it from the combs, making honey. So while there, I had some ululations, some cries, just within the vicinity, a stone throw, because we are family, as I told you. So coming, it hit me hard that Bibi had succumbed, and to me it catastrophed my convictions, because we were not expecting that. It was abrupt, though it was a normal death, because she was old, and also she was ailing and sickling. She was diabetic, and as well she had some complications with the age, because she was old. Absolutely. She was 92 years. So she was also trying so much. So after coming, I was informed that Bibi has gone. Actually, I witnessed myself, and to me it never sounded like something I'd accept.
Absolutely.
I could not accept it as per that time, but owing to the efforts I saw my dad here trying all along with her, medication bills, every other support, he was so close to Bibi, but unfortunately it was so sad that we had to see her off. So from that time, we are here as family to stand with to stand together, and also to see on how the preparations and arrangements are going to foster forth.
For sure.
So
and also what I wanted to say is that on this other end, this whenever you see Claude, or whenever you see Tonixter, with me, I'm not here maybe to brag. I'm here to encourage other youths. I'm here to encourage you who you are watching this video, that either you have somebody who is ailing, maybe with sick, maybe somebody who is maybe not okay, maybe financial status, either somebody who is you are having an aged person at your compound. Don't despise them, don't degrade them, don't diminish them, don't look down upon them, but always love them, always give them their respect, because at the age where you are, when they were at your age, they were also helping you, giving you what you, even if sometimes you might not recall. You know, we human beings, we have different people who have different auras. You understand?
Exactly.
So there's what we always say: make sure you understand how your aura goes. You know, you must know that, oh, if I stand with Tony, there's something that I'm feeling. There's an energy that I'm feeling, because an aura is an energy. So you must know which energy are you receiving, or which energy are you aligning to?
Mm.
So with me, I'm not doing maybe videos with Bibi, maybe to show off of anything, but I'm showing just to encourage other youths out there. According to our culture, according to our African traditional society, a man or a boy or a young man is not supposed to dress or look at the nakedness of her or her father or his father, yes, or her mother or her grandmother,
aunties.
But you cannot, at the time of death or at the time of ill or at the time of where they need you, you cannot say, I'm this. Just break those taboos. Break it, go through, break those chains. Because with me, if we don't have a sister or a girl or an aunt nearby who could have come and do this, because everybody is busy with their own stuff. He is busy with his own stuff. Exactly. You are busy with your own stuff. I was busy with my own stuff. I was busy with traveling. I was busy with my channel. I was busy with my house in Mombasa. Exactly. But I was like, no. My sister, she was at school. Exactly. My mom, she's at her own business sometimes. Business. My dad cannot go look at her mom's nakedness. Yeah, exactly. I was like, I have to take this responsibility. I have to fight with it perpendicularly. Exactly. My wife was a very good wife when she was helping me at this until she got a CS. She cannot, she cannot bend much. She cannot carry Bibi because Bibi was somebody you have to carry. So my message is, what I'm trying to pass is, please, sometimes don't see me, maybe I was ailing with Bibi, others also were helping, but it's according to the standards. You can come and help me for a day, that's the biggest help. Exactly. You can come say, okay, CJ, today I'll not reach, but let me send you money for buying Bibi's pampers. That is. He used also, despite that, the way you see this guy also, he used also to come because he used to be an errand boy for Bibi sometimes. Exactly. You understand? When Bibi tells him, I want you to go buy me breakfast, what we call like bread. Exactly. This guy could run. Despite his year. So this is what I'm telling you. Bibi has planted a seed in me. Bibi has planted a seed to everyone. Because if today I say, what do you remember good about Bibi? Or what do you remember bad about Bibi? You're able to say. So every single time when you live with people in this world, just know how you're living with people, because today you are there, tomorrow you're not there. You understand? So Bibi really understood that even if you go against you or you just collide, Bibi with the person who will be telling you vulgar words, and in just few minutes when her temper is cool, you're very good friends. He never knew no enemies. Bibi knew no enmity. Yeah, so Tony Star. Yes. We are here. Mnataka kusema hata hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sema ongea tusikie Bibi. How was Bibi to you?
Rest in peace.
How was Bibi to you?
Bibi is a good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine, man.
Thank you.
Okay, go help. There's somebody there waiting for you.
Exactly.
So Tony Star, as I was asking this, because mostly when I see people when they die, not even weddings, they plant this kind of.
So based on my knowledge, because I've stayed and I've also interacted with the elderly so much. Yeah. Being an elder son at home, I've also sat with the elderly. I've sat with Bibi well, and some elder men. So I used to inquire most of these signs I've been seeing in the village. Actually, if I may refer you back to the ancients.
Yes, ancients.
To the ancient age, the ancient time, what was done there is still done at this day and age, but in a different manner and styles. Yeah. So, like for example, at that ancient age, there are modes and forms of communication.
Absolutely.
The same way, we also had some emblems, like for example, and pinnacles that were used to locate places. So if you are being given a direction, you may be told, once you reach that hill, go this, give right. That. So such features were used to give directions.
Yes.
So let me start with Now,
Yeah.
about this,
Yeah.
this is a mode of communication.
Yeah.
Like for example, we do plant a banana.
Yeah.
This is a banana sucker.
Yeah.
We do plant a banana sucker. Why a banana sucker? Because a banana sucker is hard to dehydrate.
Absolutely.
It takes time to dehydrate. It remains green and visible.
Visible.
Yeah. So easy to identify, and it's so in itself like this in this stature. It is a mode of communication. It communicates. The communication here translates to there is a given function
Somewhere.
Yeah, this is a road.
Yeah.
We do plant it at either sides of the road.
Yeah.
So this one is an information.
Yeah.
Is an information, an imagery information,
Yeah.
aiding us that via this road, because you're seeing this is a feeder road.
Yeah.
You're feeding this Maram road here.
Yeah.
So via this road towards this end, there is some activity going on.
Yeah. Yeah.
There is an activity going on here.
Yeah. So from here we have these two guys.
These two.
If you see this maybe in a place, please, if you are sometimes you are a sherehe man,
Yeah.
you can just branch and see, because
Yeah,
this in funerals we don't invite people.
We don't invite people.
The people come at their own will.
They're invited by things like
this, yeah.
And also music. They
Music,
can hear some music.
All-
and no. Like
all-
for example, now we have music.
Yeah.
And we also have this.
This one,
So
yeah.
it is a sure
Yeah.
for them to know that there is something going
happening.
on here.
Yeah.
And you can see we've also planted another another tree,
Yeah.
which is also this is for support.
It's a branch of it's a plant. It's very famous, and also it's a very good plant to be indoors.
Yeah.
And it's like it's a plant that it's similar to the species of it's actually sometimes works the same work with Joseph Scott.
Exactly.
For the Jamaicans understands what we call like about the Jamaican coast plant. But if you know it, please let me know in the comment section. The only that I've forgotten its name, but it's highly, when you go to most of the Indians hotels,
Yeah.
this plant,
Yeah.
let me share with you guys, this plant,
This one.
most of the Indians hotels, this is the plant that is planted indoors in the porcelains, and it can grow bigger while they cut like this.
And taller.
They don't want it to grow taller, so it wants just in the corners. So they put them in porcelains, and they cut it. So you'll find that a plant like this has grown big like this, but it has those small shootings. Yeah, so it's very beautiful in the house.
Exactly.
So let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. And it's a medicine also.
Yeah.
So when they reach here, you cannot proceed up. They show you also another direction.
The direction is
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, guys. So let's proceed here, and
And it's also, this plant is also it's an adverse weather tolerant.
yeah,
Yeah, it
it can grow anywhere.
anyway, and it takes time to dehydrate.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it reserves a lot of water, so it can
Grow.
endure hard conditions.
Hard conditions.
Like for example, arid areas.
Yeah.
That's why it is preferred
Yeah.
on such occasions.
such occasions.
Because it will take time. It won't go dry.
Yeah. So guys, also you see, I haven't yet done anything about the watermelons, because also I'm trying to adhere to the rules and regulations and norms about the culture that when somebody dies at your home or in the nearby, you are not supposed to go to the farm
Or handle
any
sharp
sharp objects. So that's why you see our brother here, they're trying to do a temporary toilet. This one, because we have been having this one that has been here. We have been having this one, but mostly is that sometimes it's hard for them to flush water. Sometimes somebody come and download his stuffs there.
They release themselves.
The data is hanging. The database starts hanging. This is our washing place. So we decided to extend this, because all this other end is also another place. So that's why you see they'll try to do. We also have this beautiful plant. We also have this other plant. Oh, Buta Junior is coming. Ah, yeah. Mame, karibu sana mame.
Poa sana. Poa sana, karibu kabisa. That's our good friend of mine, like a brother. So this is what you see, guys. We also have this another beautiful plant nearby here. So while you'll be downloading your stuff down here, yeah, we want to do a hole. Yeah, exactly. You know, with us here, let me share with you how we always do this.
Call it hit and run method.
Yeah, hit and run method.
Yeah.
Because guys, let me show you practically. Most of the toilets, most of the latrines in the village, we have we don't use those seats. We don't use the seats toilet. We come here, so we want to make a small hole here, just right here. We squat. That's why you see most of the people in the village, they are very fit.
Yeah.
So you squat. So the moment you squat here, you download your stuffs, then you wake up. That's why you see we want to make a hole here, and it will be just like that. But anybody who is willing to use, so it's two-way. If you want to use the flash water, you'll get it. If you want to use this one direct, the direct method, how do you say direct and indirect rule?
Chapu kidogo.
You can use an indirect rule.
Indirect rule and direct. Yeah. That's a choice.
So, also, friends of our visiting. Hey, Amen. Yes, boy. So we are here, and also this house stuff are moving. Welcome. Niyo kiti ya geti, usijali. Haina haraka. Yeah, so we are here with Gake.
What's up guys, welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. Yes. My name is Gake and we have come over here to give our friend a hand. Yeah. So if you're watching this for your first time guys and haven't subscribed, please consider by subscribing, liking and sharing to the new and tiny subscribers of this amazing channel. May God bless you a million times.
Thank you man for coming. Essentials. Welcome.
Okay.
And so guys, that's how we are. And also the plan is, like I've been telling you, I'll share with you first what is going on. Already we have installed this new temporary toilet. Mame karibu mu. Asante. So nyumba hara mu kidogo. Kuna watu. Kuna wameenda Kisila kile karibu na. Naona tunaona ndio. So guys, on this other end, on this other end, that's what mine.
Exactly.
So on this other end, our brother Mugendi, because this house was being roofed, but Bibi died day one as we were roofing this house. So we have to finish it so that it can help us maybe when sometimes get rains. People can sit in there. And also, we had a very temporary outside toilet. No. Bathroom. So this used to be a place where we used to take shower.
Bathing range.
Yeah, I used to get it. But for now,
very beautiful.
We have to be down so that people will be sitting here as we mourn our lovely grandma. Because Bibi, for now, we can say she's not dead. I know she's celebrating with the angels.
Exactly.
Because somebody maybe who knew that if she could know that maybe we as grandchildren who are maybe not looking at her, she could have died without our knowledge.
Exactly.
She could have died and nobody could have known. But she waited for us, and she wanted to go in heaven when she's already to getting energy. So she died while I was feeding her. She rested when I was feeding her. So which means it's a good blessing to each and everyone. The blessings are not only for Claude, it's for all of you guys, because you are the people who have really motivated me financially, advices, until now we are here also. So this all is being done. Also this other side, we installed a kitchen, which I share with you the kitchen how stuffs are. And in that regard, therefore, they also selected the chairperson, the secretary, the treasurer, storekeeper, everything, because as a place like this, you cannot do things randomly. You can not run it as a home. You run it as a celebration center where you have to have a management. And also, they did what we call provided. We have a WhatsApp group, and also we have what we call a place where maybe if you are willing to contribute towards Bibi's funeral, at the description point down below or at the comment section down below, there is a number where you have to maybe to send or to donate anything that you have for the what you call like the celebration of Bibi to go on, not to run the funeral of Bibi. I'm just saying that just to brief you that maybe you should be asking, hey, where is CJ? Where should we contribute? Or where should we do the contribution on this? Because we really need money for now. For Bibi needs a casket. Bibi needs maybe to be clothed. We have to run, maybe visitors who are coming, they have to eat. The mourners have to eat. We have to bring things like speakers that can be running and entertaining the people around. Also, electricity, food, something like that. And that one cannot be done by only Claude Joseph. It cannot be done by only you, but it can be done by each and every one of you. When you come together, you bring maybe $100, you can bring $10, $5, $6. That's all will be summed up, and accountability will be there for the goodwill of everything. For this point, we are ailing, we are mourning, but we are also celebrating. So through that, I wanted just to brief you the better way is that at the description point, you can really be with us at that point, at this moment. Cross fingers for us, pray for us. With me, I'm strong because of your love. I'm strong because Almighty God strengthens me. And it's all that few things. The only thing is the memories that you cannot forget. The good time that you have been with David, the good time that you have been with your own loving person that you can't forget. But deep down, God is with us, though our hearts are heavy. But we don't want to have those heavy hearts. We want to let Bibi rest in paradise. And also, I was planning Bibi to be her grave to be started built right now. But according to the cultures and everything, I was told that won't happen, because if you build a grave and leave it just that way, you might find out that there's some stuff that has been done there. So it's better you build a grave maybe at night. Most of the graves are being dug at night, all the day before that. But we wanted to create a very loving house for Bibi. So please, guys, show some love through that. And also, you're free to comment at the comment section about what you think about this. And we also brought some plates. Good. Okay, also Mama Claude. People are tired right now. I'm telling you, people are tired. Very tired.
People keep vigil over the night.
We brought some tents there that are just on this other end. There's a system. There is a system that we have brought on this end. There's always a burning fire that cannot go off. So this end, there's what you call like a tent. On this other end, we have speakers already are here and chairs that we have. And on the other hand, these are the guys. They went down to the borehole. They did cleaning of the borehole.
Clean it.
Yeah. Just look here. So deep down. No. Easy. It's very dangerous.
No.
It's very dangerous.
No. Even you. No me.
He's the guy who went deep down.
Just look here.
So we removed this. And
Yeah. Just look water.
do what we call like
Just look
build
water here.
this borehole because it might be look.
Me, engineer.
Yeah, I can show you.
No.
So today they were doing some cleaning.
Just look
I
here.
mean it. They were doing some cleaning.
No.
It's deep down.
Just.
I don't know if it's visible.
Acha
You see
nivute
there's
maji.
water.
Waambie maji. Haya, acha nivute waone. Imekuwa mzuri sana.
So we want to build this because today they were cleaning deep down. This guy went down. So that's why you see how stuffs are around all along. And the water was just like this. So they cleaned and that's how it is. So
Just look here.
water started to come out.
Water. Very just look.
It's starting to come. It started to come clean. Just like that. So all of this is being organized. Yeah.
My
It's
name
being-
is Christopher Gensanya.
Your name? Your name?
My name is Grasangani. No, my friend, let me tell you, I am hungry.
You're hungry. There's a kitchen. Come, I take you to food.
No,
food. Come, I take you to the kitchen.
Hungry.
No. This time we are mourning, bro. We are mourning. Maybe I'll pay you for the one that you did in the borehole. I paid them. Like $25 to clean this. Yeah, that's $2,700 to kill to yeah. $15.
Not 25. No, you.
What is 2,700? You know, this guy, he had what you call like a broker. They came with the guy who was the main. Maybe he has been blocked. Kwani mmelipwa ngapi nyinyi mura? Mmelipwa ngapi? Nilipeni 2,500, mmelipwa ngapi?
500. Nikapewa shilingi 400.
Shauri yako.
Na 400 kwanza 50.
Mimi nilikuwa
naingia humu ndani.
Shauri yako. So now you see these people. They have a blocker.
450.
They come with a broker. They have with a now these people, they are crazy. You know, Tony, that's what I'm telling you. When you're doing something, do it with one hand. So they are paid to clean. And I pay them cash. I have a transaction on the phone.
Exactly.
But there were 3 people. The main guy who was to clean came with them. Yeah, so hi. Let's say hi. The main guy who came with them, I paid him. It's them with them to balance. So you just pay them the truth. It's just that. The truth will set you free.
They've been waving money.
Yeah.
So guys, what's happening here after the other side, we are trying to make a parking lot or a parking area. So what you see around, I'm supposed to put Nanu Rusha Chupa. So we are trying to do what we call like a parking lot. This is our neighbor's farm or our neighbor's land. So we are trying to spread this end. So in a time of grief like this, or in a time of problems like this, all people come together. And that's why you see we are trying to do cleaning on this side. It's a farm he just evacuated from this place. He no longer stays here, so we had a call and I said it's okay, you can use my farm as a parking place because our place is very minimal. We could have done all if I couldn't have planted some watermelons on the other end. So we decided to do a parking place. So this is what you see. We are trying our best to make everything possible for the send off. Okay, this guy is really disturbing. Every time he's thinking about money. And Mogendi the dreamer's house is taking shape from here. It's going to be roofed all, so that's why you see it's just like that. It's taking shape, and the music is all loud. That's a form of also communication, because when people hear music, they know there's something happening there, so they have also to come and see what's going on. So as I told you, the plan is that we are celebrating Bibi, and she will be buried, or she will be put to rest on 14th Friday next week. Look, this guy is already here. I'm telling you, people are celebrating. That's how you see.
No problem.
Hey, unajua Bibi Njarina kama aje? Hey, Moi. How did you know Bibi Njarina?
Yeah.
How was Bibi Njarina?
Live from the me. Live. What God? No. What are you talking? No, everything. My friend. One good. Best thing.
Sometimes the comics makes me laugh. That's how it is.
Telling you true.
Yeah.
Telling you true. Best thing. Njarina was the best. Best thing. I'm going. God.
Alright guys, that's it. And the work is going, so they're trying to make the road. And this outside, we couldn't have done what you call like put this side because there's watermelons, and that would be a double. That could be a double. How can I say loss? it could be a double loss for me, because if I could have used this as a parking lot, it was going to be a double loss. But anyway, cars will just come this way and some will park. So from the entrance this way, the car will come, all cars will come and will be parking on this other end. So please bear with my voice, because sometimes I get emotional and cry much. I hide it, I cry. So that's why you hear my voice is just this one. That is it. So pray for us, guys. Everything is okay. Oh. He's saying that I gave him the shoes. I gave him the shoes. So he's trying to say that, show them that you gave me the shoes. This is also, do you know this?
Yeah.
What is it? What's it? Aye. So guys, so, and that's how stuffs are. At least now things are coming out slowly by slowly. That's Manu Claude. The other brother is doing some flashing, and the music is on a high there. Alright, guys, let's celebrate the. Yeah, guys. So the roofing is almost done actually on this other end. Hopefully by this time, when the rain is just will be raining, when the rain will be raining, at least now it's roofed. My throat is burning. That's why you hear I have no voice. My throat is really burning. So at least the entire house is covered and we can check what's going on around. The music is too big and too loud. As you see, the smoke is still symbolizing, and on the other end tents are there. Yeah, so just like that, simple. The other side we are doing some parking, and on this side things are moving. So this is the inner side. It's already clean. The veggies that were here are removed. Yeah, so it's all covered. It's just only like windows, doors, and Morgan can continue doing what you call like extending. Baba, wacha niingie hivi karibu. Wacha nishike hivi kidogo na kote. So also the other end, guys. This is what you see. What's going on this end? The situation has been so much okay. Things has been moving. This end. Tomorrow we'll be cleaning this side. Tomorrow we'll clean this, remove this all, put some base and put everything at a place. On this side also, cleaning has been maintained all the way. The kitchen, just this through Claude's or supervision. That's why you hear the voice is not even okay. And through all the supports of amazing neighbors, you guys, I was at large. So I really appreciate the gift of life. And God bless you all, guys. Let's end today this video here, and all will be well, guys. God bless you. Let's wish Bibi all the best where she is. I know for now she's rejoicing with Bibi's rejoicing with the angels. Almighty God bless you guys. And let's end this video here by saying thank you so much. So Bibi will be buried on 14th like that. All right, guys.